Hello traders, hi everyone. Still only two people have joined the live stream. Traders, just let me know, can you hear me? 11 people have joined the live stream. Okay, okay. Now, what do you think about the current market sentiment? Let me explain what I think right now. Okay, first, market on a 3 minutes time frame. I can see it is forming a what? It is forming a rising wedge pattern. Rejection, rejection, support, support, and rising wedge means what? Market has to move towards the downside, right? But what is happening after this breakout continuously? Bitcoin is moving towards the upside without giving any retracement. So in this case, will the rising wedge pattern fail? Will the market come for correction? What do you think? And one interesting observation which I did last was on this 3 minutes time frame chart, what you can see after every breakout, market was not able to break the previous day low, right? I mean previous swing low. Continuously it was moving towards the upside itself. Now market is moving down. Is it able to break the previous high? It's not able to break, right? So we know market trend is moving towards the upside, but simply what we will do to test if the theory what I'm saying is working, let's just take 30 quantities. Okay, I'm going to sell it. We are going opposite to the trend. That's okay. So according to this theory what I said right now, market should not go above this. Okay, what is this price level? This one, right? So what I will do, sorry, what happened? Oh, okay, I missed it. I'll cancel this. I placed off a market order here, sorry, stop loss order. So here according to this thing what I said, market should not go above, it should not break the high. Okay, that's the logic. So I'm going to sell. So for this trade what I'm going to place my stop loss here is the price little above this level. Okay, I'm going to scroll down, add my stop loss, whatever it is, 5. I'll confirm this. If my stop loss, it's no problem. Okay, sorry, a little bit of urgency is happening here. Okay, so I've just placed, where is my stop loss? What is the stop loss I chose? I said this previous high, right? Okay, I'll copy this price, edit, just around $6. That's okay. Okay, now it's got triggered. Now simply I've taken this trade, okay, just to see what kind of movement market is doing. Opposite direction I've taken the trade. Maybe it will come to this 236 level and reverse. It might stop loss, that is possible. Or continuously it can form a lower, it formed a high, it formed a low, a lower high. From here, if it continues the downtrend, here one decent momentum towards the downside we can be able to capture, right? With that logic I have taken. Now simply I will just say the random idea with which I have taken this trade. Okay, if you want you can just relate to it. Many times what I've seen is in Bitcoin, especially when market is moving towards the upside, it is continuously bullish, right? What will happen? It will not be able to break the previous low. This means continuously they are keeping the market above the previous low. Okay, that's how you can see in all of these candle market nowhere it broke the previous low and went, but only once here market broke the previous low, this low. I thought of placing my stop loss here and entering, but by the time I come to this live stream, it did not work out. That means some kind of action people, to a certain extent, they might be starting to think to book their profits. So based on that, I planned my entry here. But what happened? I by mistake I placed stop loss order. But next entry I took. Now what is happening as per my understanding is people are trying to book their profit. So as long as the higher level, previous higher level breaks, I don't think people will have fear. With that logic, simply I entered this trade. My expectation was if I enter here, once this level, this first red candle, if I enter, if I try to book my profit around 800 points, for that how much points is the risk? Let's say somewhere around 300 points. So now market is continuously moving towards the downside. Is it able to break the previous high? It's not able to, right? And also I had said this is a rising wedge pattern. Market has given wrong side breakout. So once selling pressure started in the market, I thought, okay, why not? Okay. Anyways, we are testing a lot of strategies here. So maybe in the future, it can be useful for you also. Now here market can correct, move towards the upside, all those things. That is always there. So what do you think about the logic what I shared with you? First is this rising wedge pattern, wrong side breakout. Second, selling pressure, market was not able to break the previous low. But once it broke, continuation I expected. That is, with that logic, I planned my entry. Now maybe market can go even lower. If I had entered here at this zone, more profit would have seen. But if it corrects from here, maybe that 800, 900 points I can capture and exit. Okay, that was the simple logic. Now we will see, no problem. The stream looks very dull. I don't see any people messaging, or am I not getting any message? Hello, hello everyone. Am I audible to you? All I can see is yes, yes, that's it. Any doubts? Any ideas? What is your thought about the request? Please tell me. Satish sir, you think it's a good logic? Okay. Sumita madam, hello. Mulli sir, ETH का बताओ. ETH, you can see, I was looking at that itself. Some time back, I had marked this level in ETH. When my expectation was Bitcoin is continuously moving towards the upside, but at some point of time, Ethereum at this zone I had marked, if it starts showing bearishness, this can little support Bitcoin to move little lower. With that logic, I plan my trade. Ethereum movement has come nicely towards the downside, but I did not plan this because usually we look at Bitcoin right during the live stream. So in front of you guys only, I took the setup here. Now continuously this is acting as support. After removing weak players here, maybe attracting some people, here Ethereum can give a reversal or it can correct, retest and move towards the downside. Both the possibility is there, but since market has moved nicely towards the upside, it can correct from here and move towards the upside. If that happens, maybe my setup also. Even I need Ethereum support, right? Both of this. Now when I entered the trade, I told you the high when market is moving towards the upside, it is not able to break. Now you see when market is moving down, it is not able to break this previous levels, right? From there selling pressure is starting. But since I'm going opposite to the trend, I cannot try to capture bigger movement. But in case market reverses, moves towards the upside, maybe my stop loss will hit or I'll go to cost. Something like that can happen. But still you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth candle. Till now, all the 5 candles, market did not reverse and moved go above the previous that candle's high. Right now, it is correcting. Maybe if it goes up to 382 level, also decent profit we can try to capture. Why are you not coming live in the morning? See, I said I'll come live in the morning only in the Tamil channel. That one I'm planning to do next month. Basically, due to personal reason, I've been traveling continuously every day. Okay, I'm not able to manage my schedule. What to do? Of course, everybody has 24 hours. They should know how to manage it. But what to do? Continuously in traveling, only around 1 hour is going to go, 1 hour to come back. So that's become an issue. Ethereum also rising wedge pattern only, right? You ask. We will see. Why is this taking long? Come on. Never before when I've come live stream, I've had this. When I've not come live stream, I've not had this issue at all. I don't know why I'm having this issue now. Only when I come live stream, I'm having this issue. Ethereum, where are you? In Ethereum, you mean to say a rising wedge? In what terms you are saying? I don't know. You mean to say like this? Not necessary traders. I don't consider this as a rising wedge. Rising wedge is still forming in Ethereum. Maybe once it makes some more support, we can think about it. Okay. Now, as of now, still forming some kind of. It's between channel pattern and rising wedge, but still rising wedge pattern has not yet formed. Okay. What happened to our trade? Okay, after continuous 4 candle, once market was able to break this previous high, that's okay. I've entered somewhere here. Stop loss I've placed little higher. So at least market goes to 382 level. I'll capture that. Of course, I know I'm going opposite to the trend. That's okay. As soon as I come live, sometimes, I usually take off the trade, right? With the logic what I have. That is what I have done. Can you enter BTC right now? Right now, it is bit difficult, because if you enter here, where will you place your stop loss? You'll place your stop loss above this candle. For me, this is a bit safe zone. Even my stop loss might hit that I'm okay with. But if the moment retraces, even goes to my cost to cost level, from here if it corrects up to 382 level, additional, I think around how much, around 400 points more pending, so that I will try to capture. That's it. Maybe when it comes to this zone, if it comes, okay, then I will be seeing if there is any reversal setup or trend continuation possibility. Based on that, I'll give you any update. As of now, what is going, let it go. Now same thing, this candle low, this candle is not able to break. So same logic what happened here. If this follows, simply what will happen, my stop loss will be hit, right? So that is why for you also I would not suggest to take any entry now. If you have taken along with me placing the stop loss here, that's okay. Our stop loss we have decided already. No need to give more than that. I think from the zone, if I see what is my stop loss level, my stop loss level is little uh, below little above 618 level itself, but 786 level should have been an ideal stop loss. That's okay. I'm not going to change now. Up to 618 level, if it wants to reverse, let it reverse, and then if the downtrend continues, I'll try to capture, or else I'll give my stop loss and wait for the next opportunity. Ethereum, I was telling you, right? At the zone and all, don't plan for put, because there is a channel. Maybe at this zone it can reverse. So both is moving together. We'll see. If my stop loss hits, I will exit. What kind of candle is this? I'll refresh. Okay. Tamil channel, I've not even started the channel traders. I've not even started. I'll ask my team to create one channel. Maybe you guys can suggest me a nice name for the channel. I'll start there. After opening account, what I will do? After opening an account, maybe you can just take one unit trade also. You just take one unit. Think about complete that trade. After that, you can just message my team. My team will give you access to the community group. Today, if you see the setup, what we had shared today, okay, this is based on the strategy, okay. So here, what I said, setup is forming, but 50 EMA is in between, but stop loss is very small, can be an opportunity for the upside. From then, 500 points move. You can see it is, what was the trading setup I discussed? Somewhere little below 95,600, right? Now I'll go to BTC chart. Where is 95,600? Somewhere here, right? This is where I spoke about the setup. And from the time I shared the setup, how much movement BTC has done so far? Close to 2,800 points. Imagine for the trade, around 30, around 100 or 200 points was the risk. In return, if you had held on to the trade, of course, around 2,800 points movement. That's a beautiful setup, isn't it? So like this update we keep sharing. And what was the logic behind this trade? It is based on the strategy what I've taught in the crypto community group. So who are members there, they know about the setup. So that is about the benefits that you will get by joining the crypto community group. Okay. Now you see the same logic thing is applying now. The lows of the green candle is not been able to break by the market, right? So here, this green candle low was not being able to break by this candle. This candle's low was not able to break by this next candle. Now some point of time near our 618 level, somewhere here, if these candles starts breaking, I can achieve this 97,530, 540 level. Or else, if the same thing continues without breaking the low, this first trading setup, my stop loss will be it. Okay. Now those of you who want to join our crypto community group, it is absolutely free of cost. Okay, all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange. Okay, but it has to be done using our referral link. So those who want to join a crypto community group, I will share the link with you here in the pinned comment. So using that you can join. So I've shared the link, traders. Those of you who want to open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link, you can do that. By doing that, what benefit you get? You get access to our course. Okay, intraday course on specially designed for crypto market, especially BTC, Ethereum. You can use that. Second, whenever I identify setups like this, right? My team also, whenever they identify the setups, they regularly keep sharing here. Okay. So here these setups which and all I had spoken earlier, all those setup has worked. Of course, no strategy is 100% perfect, but the beauty about our strategy is what? Every time you make profit, it will be at least 1 is to 3, 4, 5, right? Of course, people will not wait for so long for the targets, but just saying the potential of the strategy. But in case, apart from that, you get the course so that in case I come live, I don't come live, when I share the setups with you, you already know, okay, our setup is forming, we know the rules, everything has been explained, live market examples has been shared. So that's great. Any other way to join the community group? Usually we don't want to keep this community group chargeable. We don't want to charge. That is why only way we have kept right now is to open account with Delta Exchange. That is the only way. So that is the thing as of now. So I have not read any comments till now. I'll see if people are asking any doubts. I will reply to it. Can I enter current price? That I spoke already. Rest. Morning, nice trade captured. Dheeraj sir. Okay, good, good. 98,800 is it a good resistance? This zone? It can be, hopefully. If that happens, if the downtrend continues, if that holds as a good resistance, it's a good thing for me also. That is what I expect. Before coming live, my expectation was placing my stop loss little above that and planning my entry. If market was in between, of course, I cannot place my stop loss here and take entry, right? I would have waited for any reversal setup. Maybe after market coming up to 382 level, from here any reversal, or based on our strategy, what I'm sharing with community group, based on that, if I have any setup, that I would try something like that. No, this issue occurs for me as well. Which issue you're talking about? Related to the chart you're saying, sir? You're able to see cup and handle pattern on a 5 minutes chart in BTC. I'm not sure what is the issue with the candles. Where is the cup and handles you're talking about? You mean this one? You're considering this as the cup and here this as the handle, or how is it? If this is the cup, okay, this is the cup. You can consider like this also, cup. This you will consider as handle. If that is the case, the breakout has happened. The length of this cup will be the target. But in case you're considering this as the cup, still consolidation is pending, right? As per what you say. Now you tell me how you're considering cup and handle pattern. Maybe you can send a WhatsApp message to the number what is displaying to you on the screen. Very close to my stop loss. If it hits, no problem. Okay. So I'm new to BTC. Can we use Heikinashi candle since BTC move in trending either side or downside majority of the time? It is not. No, I will not suggest people to look for any Heikinashi chart. Based on that, I have not tested. I don't think based on the volatility I would not suggest Heikinashi chart as of now. Okay, my stop loss hit for this trade. Okay, we will see what is the next opportunity we have. Okay, Nagendra sir. Okay, you have opened account using our referral link, but have you completed the first trade? If you're a bit concerned to take your first trade, please watch a video which we have already shared with the community members. Okay, uh, sorry, on YouTube, which we have shared. In that, we have discussed all the basics about uh, how to take trades, how to choose quantity, what leverage we have to trade in. Looking at all those things, you will get a basic understanding. With that understanding, if you complete the first trade using with the account which you used to open with our referral link, then you will be getting access to our community group. Okay. After that, you message my team. My team will give you access to the community. Now, okay, the first trade stop loss hit, no problem. I'll wait for the next setup in case it it is available. Now, Ethereum, I will see. Ethereum, yes, good. Not taking any put option trade at the zone. It was a good idea. Ethereum, as of now, at this upper level, we have to see if it has decided to break the trend line. But good area where it is rejecting from is 618. So from here, another movement is possible, but the low is not broken yet. So that is one thing we need to take into consideration. This low, if it is not breaking, then market can just make momentum like this without breaking the lows. So that is something we need to pay attention to. Okay, if the lows are broken, then what opportunity we have? We have a small stop loss trading opportunity, right? If this low is broken, stop loss little above. Okay, and look for maybe 1:2 risk reward. That's an opportunity. In BTC, you see, once some time back I was telling you 786 level is an resistance. Market went above 618, not yet reached 786 as per my understanding. Yes, it is not reached. So this can be next zone from where it can reject. But the way how market is moving, one attempt I did here, that failed. Again, second attempt, I'll wait, I'll give some breathing space, right? After giving some breathing space, spending some time observing the market, then I can decide what I want to do next. See again what is happening. This low, this candle is not able to break. Okay, this candle broke, but later you see all the candle is not able to break the low, right? At some point of time, some candle breaks, maybe one opportunity towards the downside is available. Until then, market can slowly keep moving towards the upside itself. So what are the questions? Why not doing live in our market? As per SEBI rule, we cannot do live. We cannot take live trades. How can I contact your team to join the premium group? First, you have to open account using our referral link. It's there in the pinned comment, right? Once you do that, then you can send a WhatsApp message to the number what is seeing on what is displayed on the screen. Then from there we can ask our team to verify your. We will share chat support team number with you. There you can share all the details which they're asking. They will cross verify and give you the access. Okay. I've just okay. Any other doubts you guys have? As of now, the lows are not breaking. Market is trying to hold on strong. Little above, we have from swing high to swing low. If you draw the Fibonacci level, we have 786 level here. So maybe from here market can correct. But as long as the lows are not broken, we should not be focused on put option trade. But since I have already completed the first trade, I took the stop loss. I'm giving a bit of breathing space to take my second trade. level is this? This is a little below 786 level. Now, some of you might keep thinking, okay, market is moving towards the upside. Why you're taking reversal? You could have taken at the support, right? Usually, how stop loss hunting and all those things work only is like opposite, doing opposite things of what other people are doing. Sometimes stop loss hits, sometimes we get target, but when we get the target will be more, so that will get balanced. That's how I look at things. Now, some of you, someone asked me, sir, you had 1,70,000. Why it has become 1 lakh? Any loss? Actually, no. If I go to here to the withdrawals section, today I just withdrew that 77,000 whatever we had. Okay, so that one I withdrew. That is why. So again, starting with 1 lakh. With this 1 lakh, again, will it become zero or not? We will see. Already 1 lakh became 1,77,000. Now we will see what will happen. See BTC 786 level, it is correcting. I think Ethereum also, if you see, where is Ethereum? Here, it is also broken this low. Some time back I said a small setup here, placing stop loss little above. Okay, if you have taken the entry here, maybe you can target for 1:2 risk reward based on the stop loss. Okay, maybe if you place your stop loss here, it is even better, so that if it hits your stop loss, okay, how much points? Around 10 points here. For that, you can try for 20 points. We know there is a support here, that's okay. If you're happy with 10 points profit only, book it, no problem. So that is the Ethereum setup. Back to BTC. Okay, 786 level rejection, maybe one attempt high, low, lower high, maybe. What do you think? Will it move down? The movement is started. That's the problem. That time only I said around 200 points, this one candle alone. What to do, traders here? Around 200 points. How long you took for 77? The day when I started the live stream. I don't know the exact date. Maybe you can go and see. That was the date when I started with this one. 1 lakh. And how many days? Not more than 15, 20 days. But we cannot expect the same kind of thing. Maybe I can say I was lucky. That's it. Nothing to boast about traders. But in future, you might ask why this 1,70,000 became 80,000, 90,000. If I have made loss, I will tell you. In case I have withdrawn, I'll tell you. That's it. Here, BTC is like that. What happened to Ethereum setup? Ethereum, to a certain extent, after breaking this, it is showing some continuation. Hopefully, 15 points also from this zone. That's a good thing. This high has to not break. Only thing is, high, low, lower, high, maybe a lower low. There maybe if it's consolidating or quick any momentum towards the upside, we can think about exiting. Something like that we can decide. See, the main thing what we have to plan here is book our this one stop loss, whatever we have decided without competing with the market. So that is why you see I don't place my target at all. Target we will see. What target is something what market gives us, right? What market shows us. Stop loss is what I'm ready to give for that particular trade at that point of time. As soon as I take my entry, what do? I place my stop loss, right? So placing that stop loss, I will just see if the stop. After placing my stop loss, I thought okay, little above 786 level I should have kept, but that's okay, traders. Only if I make that loss, next time when I take the trade, I will think, okay, last time like this happened, and next time let me see, is that risk okay? If it is okay, then if as per my capacity, I will take. So traders, after opening account with Delta Exchange using our referral link, please complete the first trade. Okay, without completing the first trade, if you reach out to our team, of course they are also going to tell you the same thing. If you're worried to complete the first trade, that is why we have a free video on YouTube, right? 30-35 minutes. In that, everything has been explained. Why crypto trading is 3 minutes? Any reason behind that? I've told many times. I don't think usually Indian market for me 1 minute is okay. Compared to Indian market, crypto market is bit volatile. So we need some buffer, right? So that is why instead of 1 minute, I chose 3 minutes. But why not 5 minutes? 5 minutes I'm not choosing because I might get late entry for my trade. Okay, so the balance between 1 minute and 5 minutes is 3 minutes. So that is the whole idea behind me taking 3 minutes. So based on that, it has worked out for me. Yeah. Over a period of time, let's say once this Trump thing settles, Bitcoin is coming to a range, not too volatile, 3,000, 2,000 points in a day. Like that moment when it is not there, maybe then I could consider. We'll see. Sometime back, Ethereum, when I spoke, I think short trade, somewhere entry when the scandal broke. Okay. I'm just placing it here so that we get understanding. I said stop loss little higher. Target can be 1 is to 2 if this is your stop loss, or if you decide your stop loss little higher, maybe 1 is to 2 or 1.5 you can decide. Either ways is fine. We will see what happens to the setup later. PTC, I'll go back. Trading little below 786 level. Let me give us some buffer time. Another 15-20 minutes I'll be live stream. If I'm confident with the next setup, I will take. Malik, sir, I completed and take a screenshot, PDF and PDF also shared, sent. If it is sent, then definitely within 24 hours my team will respond. Okay, so that is how it works. I sent a screenshot creates on WhatsApp number. No one respond, and by the way, I'm signing up using your referral link. Malik sir, give us 24 hours time. If you've not got any reply, do one follow up now. Anyways, team will not be available right now, but you can complete the initial process. For others, I'm saying, if you have already completed the initial process, open the account using a referral link, completed the first trade, then simply what you do, send a message, follow up message with to my team. Okay, they'll look into it and they will do the needful. Okay, for those of you who's opening account using our referral link now, you can do that. Once opening account, complete your first trade, message my team. Within 24 hours, they'll give you access to the community group. What happened to Ethereum? Ethereum just somewhere near entry price. BTC just forming a recent double top. Trading below 786 level zone itself. What do you think, traders? What is your view? From here, where do you think market will go? Directly from the current level, will it start moving towards the upside and break 98,600 zone? Or will it come for a correction up to 382 level and then later it can reverse? What do you think? Or do you think the trend can continue towards the downside? BTC trend is up, then why taking sell entry, sir? See, we have taken sell entry to capture small movement in the market. Okay, so if BTC movement is up, if I'm placing my entry, where do I place my stop loss? I don't have any opportunity, right? Like the logic what I said earlier, you see the low is not broken, previous low is not getting broken. With that logic, small trading setup. Okay, if I entered at this breakout or this breakout, small stop loss here. If I had entered, I would have tried to capture. But when I came live stream, first time market broke the previous low, right? The green candle's low. So my expectation was placing my stop loss here, easily 1 is to 2 risk reward I can capture. But what happened? By mistake, I placed wrong trade. Because of that, what happened? I got my entry little lower, or else I had kept my stop loss little above 786 level. All this is part of trading. Sometimes we overlook things and we take trades. So here during this reversal, my expectation was as long as market is not able to break the previous candle's high, I'll keep holding the trade. Once it reverses, breaks the previous candle high, I will think about exiting. Here, how much points move was it? From the time I said, okay, I will take an entry, but I took the wrong entry, around 700 points move. For that, what, 300 points risk? That would have been an easy 1 is to 2 risk reward. I personally, the strategies what I have provided to you guys is because you need to stick to our rules and all those things, right? Now, of course, market view is bullish and all those things, but I keep looking at the market based on that. Maybe 15-20 minutes, I keep looking based on that what I understand, what sentiment I understand. If it is giving me satisfaction without thinking too much, I plan my trade and I place my stop loss as per my risk capacity. Rest everything is left to the market. Okay. Setups is given to you. The setup. The setup and all, why is it given to you? Because you know what is the risk, what is the reward, for how much point movement, how much you can capture, what is the potential of the strategy, all those things you know. You use it there. Okay. Any eh, all of a sudden I cannot expect people to think the same way as I think. That is why when I'm coming live, I'm taking trades and I'm explaining the logic why I'm thinking taking the trades here, so that you can relate. Maybe it can be useful for you in the future. But when I'm not available, what do? You need a setup, right? Early morning 6:30 setup would be was formed. Okay, yesterday also you can see morning 6:30 nice setup based on the same strategy what I thought you guys. So that gave around 800 to 1500 points more. See ETH, sir. ETH, yeah, if you had entered here, stop loss here, market is moving towards the downside. You don't want to take the risk, trail your stop loss up to this level. Okay, or else book your profit. Only mistake for me what happened in this trade was entry I took a bit longer because I tried to place stop loss order. So order will get triggered only at this zone. Because of that, my entry was somewhere here. Because of that, stop loss becomes big. Little above 786 level I should have planned. Anyways, no problem, no problem. Okay, any other doubts? Close to 45 minutes live stream done. BTC is moving means even Ethereum will be moving. That's my understanding. Hopefully. Did anyone plan trade in Ethereum? Or were you just looking at it? So in this around 11 points movement, okay. So 11 points movement means $11. So in this case, if you see, based on the first stop loss, what I said, I think more than 1 is to 1.5 is achieved. But if you have placed this as a stop loss, then that's okay. Maybe 1 is to, we will see that also. Close to 1 is to 1 risk reward is achieved. So now if you want to trail your stop loss, please trail. You want to, so that you can hold the trade. $11 profit if you have made. Okay, good. You can book the profit. I don't know, someone is shouting outside. BTC kind of turning into sideways market right now. I thought any one more opportunity traders. If I get before I close the live stream, BTC maybe I can try to capture. If BTC starts giving breakout, what will happen to Ethereum? Ethereum also can reverse a bit. That's okay. That is why trailing stop loss is a good idea, so that it is just cost to cost for you. That's the setup. Sir, are you working in BTC Ethereum options or normal buying? If in options, then does decay is applying? Of course, if you're trading in options, decay applies. See, what my idea right now is, many people who's watching the live stream, you guys are very new to crypto, right? Now I will consider for crypto, even I'm a beginner. Here, volatility is there. That is why, since why we don't trade in Indian future market, because many people they don't get leverage, right? That is why we take the risk of trading in options, especially option buying. Even though their option sellers chances of making profit is high, what we do, we look for opportunities based on price action. Wherever risk is small, reward is big, we try to capture that. That is there. But in the futures market, when we trade in futures market, when we trade in India, I mean Nifty, Bank Nifty, it's very expensive. BTC is not that expensive. They're giving you leverage. You can take advantage of that leverage. Then why you need to choose strike price and all those things and complicate things? I don't want to do it at the initial stage. The first goal is 3 months. Based on this one futures market itself, we will try to understand the market sentiment. Based on that, we will take the trade. Okay, so once we get very comfortable, we get adjusted to the volatility and many price action stop loss hunting setup. Regularly I'm speaking with you guys, right? Once you understand all the stop loss hunting concepts over a period of 3 months, 6 months, even small changes even I start doing, when success rate is more, right? Let's say 60%, 70%, but profit is 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, then that's a good thing for us. That time later, if required, we will look into options. Why now? Symmetric triangle you want me to draw? Okay. Hopefully it is at least up to 382 level. Okay, this is fine. I just kept the symmetric pattern little lower because 236 level can act as the next support. What happened to Ethereum? Ethereum who has taken the trade, target hit, done. So if you have taken, not taken the trade, that's up to you. But I explained the logic why it's an opportunity. Still, it is moving. So, what kind of trading setup depends on you traders. This is what, even if we had kept the stop loss little higher, 1 is to 2 is achieved now. Did anyone take or not? Okay, that's up to you. I was a bit focused on BTC. In In BTC, the candle is big, traders. The candle is big, around 300 points. For 300 points, if I hope the market to correct up to this one, 470, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 1 risk reward, or 1 is to 1.5. That's the maximum. So I will avoid this as of now. Some people might consider this as, you know, bullish flag pattern. At this breakdown, people might enter. Maybe after attracting some people, it can reverse because the trend is bullish on a higher time frame. Okay. Okay, around 51, 52 minutes live stream done. Hopefully, those of you who planned your trade in Ethereum based on this setup, now the best thing that you can do is book your profit based on the quantity you have taken from the time we have entered. 30 points move, that means $30 profit. So in Ethereum, of course, every 1 point is considered as $1, right? Now the best thing what you can do, book your profit, exit, or get your stop loss up to this area. Once this candle goes even lower, bring your stop loss next to this candle's high. Like that you can plan. Okay, that's up to you what you want to do about this trading setup. Okay, so this is a very, very nice moment actually, right? Our entry was somewhere here, target around 32 points. That setup is done. BTC, nice move actually in BTC as well. Why is this how the candle is formed? Let me check on mobile. I don't think so. Anyone took the BTC trade? Just let me know. Yes or no? No problem. At least if you got an understanding and you have understood the logic why I said there's an opportunity towards the downside in BTC, that's good. Logic was what? Market fell nicely, corrected, and where was market near? Market was near 618 level reversal. So plan was what? Okay, I'll plan here. In case I don't want to plan here, let the low break. After low breaking, I took my entry. So around 1 is to 2 we planned, but already 1 is to 3. Almost 1 is to. Yeah, 1 is to 3 done here in BTC. So that was the logic. Instead of that, what will happen? Small stop loss. If you're not ready to take the stop loss in the market, then it is difficult. Stop loss, as long as it is as per your capacity, you need to take it. No, sir, we are waiting for your entry. My entry you were waiting for. Okay. I was looking more concentrating on BTC traders. That's why I did not take. Took small trade in Ethereum, 3,615 short, and sold it 3,587. That's good. Okay, okay. Closer to the live stream, close to 1 hour done. Hopefully, what I'm thinking right now. See, the things, whatever logic I've explained, the first trading setup, I took the trade. I was not waiting for anyone, right? As long as my idea and your idea comes in sync, then even you can go ahead. If you think your idea is better, as per you, you think market will move towards the upside. If that is what you believe, please go ahead as per the setup. Because everybody, the way how we look at the market is different. But what is the best thing? From here, if you are thinking market will move towards the upside, your stop loss should be as per your capacity here. Okay. If it is as per your capacity here, then you have nothing else to worry. If this is your stop loss, you think stop loss is, let's say many people, 20 $30 stop loss, they think it is too much. Okay, fine. Then what you do, get a stop loss to $10. How you can do that? By reducing the quantity. Try doing that. And as long as you do not take trades, right, on your own, then the chances of you don't get that real market you know, condition to, you know, the sense, that real market feeling, you will not get. Trade with one unit, doesn't matter. And don't worry of being making loss, and don't get scared of being wrong. That is all is required. That eventually over the period of time you will learn. Which broker is this? This is Delta Exchange. Now anyone who wants, you can open account with Delta Exchange using a referral link. Benefit you will get: one, you get access to this community group where I keep sharing the setup based on the strategy which I provide. The strategy is here. uh, Once you join the community group, the strategy videos is here, the live examples will be here, all those things will be explained to you, so you can watch that content directly in the members community itself. Okay, that is the thing about it. So what to do? Traders market is not giving any opportunity as of now. One opportunity I have right now is, let's say this is a bullish flag pattern, then this breakdown, what happened, it's a fake one. From here market can move towards the upside. For that, from this zone I should be looking for call option trade where random people can be removed from the market. Or if I'm bullish, I want to be more careful, then wait for this correction, and from this zone I can be looking for opportunity based on how market reacts at this zone. Below 382 level, if the market goes trend continuation, there I will have opportunity on the put option side that I will be looking at later. As of now, this is the opportunity. Sir, give access to community. My team will give you access to community. Only thing what you have to do is open account. After that, have you completed your first trade? Even with one quantity? If you have done that, message my team, my chat support team. They will guide you. They will guide you. They'll give you access within 24 hours for sure. Anyways, tomorrow is Saturday. We will not be there in that market pressure, right? So maybe all the pending access, maybe very less people only pending access. In case if it is like that, we will share. Okay. In case my team do not give you the access within 24 hours, the WhatsApp number what you're seeing right now on the screen, send a message. We'll guide you. I will make sure 100% by tomorrow you will get access as long as you have completed everything. It is close to 1 hour done. Now randomly I don't want to take any trade here, because if I trade here, I have a feeling it can correct. If it corrects, then again second stop loss I have to take. At this zone I'll be confident, but just because I am live stream, if I want to take a trade here, I can take, no problem. This is 50% chance. Here 70% success rate chance. So what I will do in real world situation, wait for 70% chance. So that is what it is. Okay, what I will do, we will try, no problem. I'll take 30 units. A buy trade, I'm going to enter here. So for this maximum stop loss, I will place a little. Okay, I'll copy this price. First I will decide, okay, is that stop loss worth it or not. I place this here. Okay, just take it. So someone said, okay, what is the logic? There is a logic here. Chances of being the successful is just 50%. Okay, but still, since I'm live, I want to take the second trade. I took the second trade. So entry here, stop loss is reasonable. Market formed a flag pattern. This flag pattern, market gave a breakdown, came to the support. From here, if it is moving, so in the future, if it is breaking this support, then it is coming for this resistance, which can next act as supporting zone. That's it. So certain things we should not complicate actually, you know, based on that we have to just go with the flow. But randomly we can't keep trading, okay? There should be a logic. Without logic, no. I know the probability of this trade is 50-50%. If that is the case, what I will do, I will try to not target too much, or I'll keep trailing my stop loss. Someone asked me, told me that you are waiting for me to take the next trade. I have taken, sir. So in what is that, Ethereum, also you can see it was a very nice momentum towards the downside. The previous setup, what I said, right? Now this one, BTC is moving towards the upside. Ethereum has given a breakdown here. Where is it? This was acting as support, right? This level has been broken. From here, if market retest and corrects, maybe my BTC stop loss also will get hit. But if this is a fake breakout, market starts moving towards the upside, then it will also be a good thing for BTC also for me to capture. Okay, we will see, traders. No force. Now 44 people watching the live stream, only 23 likes. Those of you who's making use of the content what I'm sharing with you, share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. It motivates me to make regular live stream. Even though there are less people coming to live stream, I know in Tamil if I do, more people will are showing interest, but still I want to continue English live stream. For me to do that, at least I should be motivated. Who wants to come in the future, they can come, no problem. But who's there in the channel already, who's watching the live stream, if you're making use of the content, if you're not liking, then it's a bit demotivating, to be honest. After putting the like, please mention your name in the comment section. I'll read out your name. Okay. Now another 5 minutes, 10 minutes, we will see how this movement happens. Okay. Later, maybe I will keep you posted in the community group about what happened to the state. Will you speak in Tamil? Sir, Tamil nalla பேசுவேன். அட்லீஸ்ட் டீசென்ட் தமிழ் தெரியும் எனக்கு. ஸோ மேனேஜ் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே. Any entry in BTC? So this is what I said. Market has formed a flag pattern, right? This flag pattern, market tried to break this level. It failed, created double bottom. At this zone, it went above 236 level zone. So I thought, okay, with small stop loss here, I'll be looking for a call option trade. So in case market starts moving towards the upside, to remove these stop losses, expectation is it can go up to 98,960 zone. Okay. For that, stop loss is small, no problem. Now after facing resistance from this trend line also it can correct, but it doesn't matter, traders. To be honest, all of these things doesn't matter as long as we have a view and we stick to our stop loss. What is your native language? I speak Kannada and Tamil. Okay, just like how my English is okay. People can understand the way how I speak Tamil and this one also. Hindi, for me, I have a lot of thought process has to go in my head. So first of all, I speak very slowly, and more slow if I speak. I think our North Indian friends, they might not like, but completely I can understand. Sir, I'm not able to pronounce your name. Okay, sorry. Bindi Ganaveli Iyengar. Bindi Iyengar, sir. Thank you so much for liking the live stream. Uh, Ebination. Am I pronouncing it right? Thank you so much. What is the capital for BTC? Even with 10,000, you can start, 5,000, you can start. Anyways, you are in the learning stage, right? When you're in the learning stage, just take one unit trade after opening account using our referral link, just to validate you're the right person who's really interested, not random people. So one trade is completed, then what you do, you message our team. We will give you the access to the course content. You can watch the course, and you can make use of that. And also, what else? Yeah, regularly we keep sharing setups also here. You can see, I don't know where it went. You can see regularly we keep sharing setups here. Today our setup gave 500 points movement, but this was the low for the day, right? From here, close to 2800 points movement happened, right? This was the low, what I said about the setup. From there, 2800 points. That's the potential of the strategy. So if you want to capture those kind of movement, you have to be taking the trades, right? Without taking the trade, if I say, if I had entered here, I would have made so much profit. Does it make sense? Doesn't, right? That's how it is for everyone. Any setup for Ethereum? Ethereum, is it going for a retest, or is it going for, as of now, we'll see what it does up to this zone. As long as it is rejecting from this zone, no, not interested in buying. Okay, let it go above that zone. Maybe next setup we can focus on. One nice setup, 1:3 already we had discussed. If you want, you can go back and watch the live stream. That was a good one. Here again, correcting. Stop loss hits, I will close the trade. Okay. Adding funds is safe. Yes, I've added funds, and around 1 lakh I added when I started this live stream. It went to 170, and I have put withdrawal request also. You can see. Today only I put this withdrawal request, 77,000. So just want to keep the capital as, standard 1 lakh. So once that profit of was done, I took out that money. So usually I think within 24 hours that money will get credited back to your account. And I would suggest people to deposit the money in terms of, let's say, UPI. Sorry, not UPI, bank transfer, because it happens very immediately. Okay, so that is the best way. Withdrawal process timing, sir, I said no, 24 hours. Today I placed the withdrawal request. Tomorrow the money will be there in the account. But depositing instantly it is happening. Withdrawal, they're taking 24 hours time. Hopefully our stop loss is bit below the 236 level zone itself. Either market can correct up to this level. If it is correcting like that, why should I give bigger stop loss? Stop loss is here. I will take that and exit. Later I'll be looking for opportunity during this reversal. Okay, from here only, if it moves, okay, good. If not, that's it. Now, thank you for everyone, traders, participating in the live stream. Even though less people are there, we have tried our best to keep things engaging, right? So that's appreciable, really. We'll see another 5 minutes. I will wait. I thought of coming for this live stream for 1 hour 10 minutes. By then, if my stop loss hits, I will exit. Okay, it's almost coming there. Maybe once my stop loss hit, maybe I will give you my view, what it is, and then maybe I will close the trade. Sorry, once my trade gets closed, or before I close the live stream, I will say what is my next expectation based on the current market move. Then we can decide. Okay. Okay. Stop loss hit here. I'll share my view. Sometime back, what did I say? There's just 50% chance of this happening, right? Market can go to this zone again, it can come here, or from this zone there is a chance of correcting up to 3826 level. So here, if you are getting any W pattern breakout setup, okay, slowly if market is moving towards the downside, here any W pattern breakout setup, small stop loss, we can have an opportunity towards the upside. In case market is forming high low lower high lower low like this moment, if it is happening, if you are looking for any bearish setup, then market has to go below 382 level of Fibonacci, right? So what is the 382 level? From where we have drawn? We have drawn from this recent swing low. So from this low continuously market was moving towards the upside. A healthy retracement is considered as 382 level. So after this level, maybe giving a breakdown here, it can attract people. From here, it can reverse. That is the reversal setup which I'm looking for right now. Maybe I'll not be taking the trade. If I'm taking by chance, okay, I will let you know. So consider this zone as a supporting zone. If it comes here, good opportunity towards the upside, or if it is showing any continuation, small stop loss. In both the situation, you see stop loss is small, but if it moves towards the upside, then big target can be achieved, or big target can be achieved at the zone. Okay, so this was about the live stream. I hope my next view about the market is clear. And if you ask about Ethereum, I think sometime back, what did I say? As long as Ethereum goes above this, not interested in call option trade. Sorry, what is that? Bullish trade. So here breakdown, retest from here. If it goes below the low, small stop loss, will be looking for bearish setup. Okay. So this is the view. Thank you for everyone participating the live stream. I had a good time. Of course, small stop losses, but here in Ethereum, nice profit. Whoever took the trade. Okay, good. It was nice talking to you guys. Good night, traders, and happy weekend. Have a good day. Bye bye. Now, before I close the stream, anyone wants to like the video, it will be really helpful. You can like and subscribe to the channel for regular videos like this. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.